welcome to our Kiyomisandz Summer Rain series, episode 3. And in this episode, we'll be discussing our body exfoliating scrubs. A lot of people still suffer from dry skin even after they've used body lotions, body creams, and even body butters. And the reason for that being is because they do not exfoliate. It is very important to use exfoliating scrubs because it helps remove the dead skin cells off of the surface layer of your skin. This is important because the dead skin cells prevents the moisture from coming into your skin. The moisture from your lotions, the moisture from your creams, the moisture from your body butters. That is why you will have super dry skin a few hours or a few minutes after applying your moisturizers. How to use our body scrubs. It's pretty much the same process as using our facial scrubs, which is you first cleanse your body with your body soap and then you rinse it off, and while your skin is wet you apply some of the scrub onto your skin and you massage it all over your body until it turns into a very thick cream or a very thin lotion, depending on how much water you have on your skin. Yourself dry. You can either use our body lotion or our rich body butters. Scrubs are also multifunctional. You can also use it as a facial scrub for all skin types, and you can also use it as a lip scrub. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. And enjoy the scrubbing. Happy scrubbing! Happy scrubbing! Happy scrubbing! What more can I say? Like, it's pretty much straightforward.